Um, here, another way of dealing with traffic can be reading the volume of the traffic at any intersection or a place by using CCTV or any device. So we have wrote a program by using OpenCV and Python, which uses AI and machine learning to count the number of vehicles. This project can further be updated in future to reading the lanes, the speed, and predicting accidents. But for Jalpaiguri, the road width is very small, so number of lanes identification is not needed, and vehicle count is also not needed because vehicles are not moving greater than 80 kilometer per hour. So um, this is my complete program, which I um wrote using some YouTube stuff. Now it basically reads a video file and then implements by creating a rectangular line uh, in which if a vehicle hits, actually adds the counter. For example, I am clicking on run and run without debugging. Now the program is running, so we can see this is an animation, but it can be implemented to real life scenario also. When the vehicles cross the blue line, the vehicle counter progresses. It basically means that the traffic volume at any place can be counted, which is very important because um if we can count or the volume or intensity of the traffic, then we can predict where the jam can occur, and we can have countermeasures regarding the jam or the high volume intensity of traffic. So basically this program can be updated to further improvements. For now, this loop video is enough to demonstrate the working principle of our project.